Hello, grade 6 students. How are you? I hope you're doing fine. Today you will study with me, with teacher Ahmed Abdullah, about signed numbers. Let's see our objectives. Our first objective is to define a signed number. Our second objective is to distinguish between positive and negative signed numbers. Our third objective is to identify two opposite signed numbers. Notice these numbers: plus 5, minus 7, etc. What do they have in common? I will give you some time. Did you notice that? They all have signs: plus sign, minus sign. That's why we call them signed numbers. Definition of signed numbers. A signed number is a number that is preceded by a sign, plus or minus. Example, plus 11, here is the 11 preceded by plus, minus 9, 9 is preceded by minus. 8 is preceded by plus. Signed number. It is a number that is preceded by a sign. Example, we have minus 9. Let's do an exercise. We have here many signed numbers. Can you classify them to positive and negative signed numbers? I will give you some time. Now let's do it together. Plus 11 is positive signed number because it has a plus sign before it. 21 plus 21 is positive signed number because it is preceded by plus. Minus 8 is negative because it is preceded by minus sign. Minus 34 is negative because it is preceded by minus sign. That's why these numbers are negative sign numbers and these numbers are positive sign numbers. So we can say positive numbers are preceded by plus sign and negative sign numbers are preceded by minus sign. So how can we use signed numbers? For what purpose? Look at these places. We have here hot weather in desert. Temperature ranges between plus 42 to plus 49 degrees. While here in Siberia, temperature ranges between minus 25 to minus 5 degrees. So we can use signed numbers for temperature. This is an elevator. This is an elevator. So notice this elevator panel. We have on the panel many signed numbers. For example, minus 11, minus 12, plus 10, minus 10, plus 11, minus 3, plus 4, etc. Minus 11 is the 11th floor underground, while plus 10 is the 10th floor above the main floor. So we can also use signed numbers in elevators and in many other fields of life. Opposite signed numbers. Focus on the following pairs of signed numbers. Focus on them. I will give you some time so that you focus on these signed numbers. They are opposite signed numbers. So opposite signed numbers are signed numbers with same number but different sign. For example, here we have 14 and plus 14 and minus 14 are opposite signed numbers. Why? Because it is preceded by a plus and here is preceded by minus, and these numbers are the same, 14 and 14. Let's do an exercise. Among the following signed numbers, indicate those which are opposite. I will give you some time. let's do it together. We have a plus 19 and we have here minus 19. Same number, different what? Different sign. So we have to indicate that these numbers are opposite. What about minus 5 and plus 5? Yes. What about minus 35 and plus 36? They have opposite signs, but their numbers is different. Here 36 and here 35. So we don't have to circle them. Let's circle minus 86 and plus 86. Yes, that's it. Do these exercises as a homework. Exercise 1 and exercise 4, page 112 on your book. We have studied today to define a signed number, to distinguish between positive and negative signed numbers, to identify two opposite signed numbers. I hope you enjoyed the video and understood the lesson. For any further information, you can ask your teachers. Thank you and bye-bye.